Your health is wealth. That's a program coming up by the Alex House Project in Brooklyn. Of course, nothing's more important for success and well-being than good health. But sadly, statistics show alarming healthcare disparities for young women and young mothers of color. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, Black and brown women are more than 3 times more likely than white women to suffer a pregnancy-related death. Data shows the rate of cesarean section births is higher for women of color as well. 35.9% of Black and brown women giving birth by C-section compared to 30.7% for white women. Now, the Alex House Project is sponsoring an event to raise awareness about women's health. Joining me now is Samora Cole. She is the founder and executive director of the nonprofit organization, which is based in Red Hook. Welcome, Samora. Thank you for being with us.
Well, hello, and thank you for having me. I appreciate this.
You are welcome. I know the Alex House Project has been around almost a decade. Talk about the main mission. How are you helping these parenting, I like the phrase, what do you say, parenting teenagers?
Yes, so it's almost like a holistic approach to parenting.
Sure.
For our young parents, our young families, so to speak. The thing that our goal is to transition young parents into parenthood, which is, by any stretch of the imagination, not an easy task, even for an adult, right? Transitioning
Sure.
into parenthood can be very difficult, challenging at times. A lot of times, most women of color do not know the variants of like how to go to a doctor, how to go set up for OBGYN, or any things that relates to transitioning into parenthood. And so what we do at the Alex House Project is we set them on the trajectory of self-sufficiency, so they'll be able to master those systems that help them be better parents, such as going to the doctor on a regular basis.
You know this very personally because you were a teen mother yourself.
Absolutely.
Tell us about your situation and how it organically got you to the point where you said, I want to help others. I know this.
Yeah. I was 17 when I had my first child, Alex, and I unfortunately did not know what to do or how to be a young parent, rightfully so, right? Because I'm a teen, I'm not supposed to. But it was very hard, very difficult for me as a teen mom to go through those cycles and navigate through those systems. I've never been on public assistance. I didn't know anything about Medicaid. So all those systems were very, very new to me. And there wasn't anyone at that time in my life who I could say that could help me, support me through those cycles. These moms, these young moms, although they are young, they still have a voice, they still have a choice. And they need support and guidance along the way. They don't need someone to tell them what to do, but they just need support and guidance to that point.
Sure. Yeah. The program Health is Wealth, which is on Thursday. I'm wondering, too, because you're talking about self-esteem, your dignity.
Yes.
You're a citizen and you can contribute to this life that we have. But these obstacles, economic, racism, education, as we've mentioned, healthcare. What do you hope they get out of Health is Wealth?
That your health is number one priority. You can't deliver any type of service, or you can't be good to anyone, not even your children, if your health is not intact. Going to the doctor frequently, whether it be the pediatrician for your young ones, or the OBGYN for you, or GYN for you, or the dentist. All of these types of health trails you need to come upon. And so you can't be any help to anyone if you're not healthy yourself. So I want them to take that away.
And leadership also. You're inspiring them as well.
Yes. So part of the Alex House Project is the organization is ran by the women it serves. So you see 18-year-olds assisting 25-year-old moms how to be a better mom. We have our own in-house training workforce program where we train moms and young dads to be facilitators, to be direct care workers, to be that person, to be future social workers. And they do receive a stipend. They are the leaders. They are the secret source to the Alex House Project.
Yes. Thank you, Samora. We appreciate it. Best of luck with this.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. Health is Wealth will be held at the Digital Girl Tech Lab, 1561 Bedford Avenue in Brooklyn. Again, that is a free event Thursday at 6 p.m. If you'd like more information about the Alex House Project, go to our website, cbsnewyork.com.